Bringing in the New Year by Grace Lin. Is the New Year coming? I hope so. We try to welcome it in. So, Gigi sweeps the old year out of the house. Baba hangs the spring happiness poems. Mama makes the get rich dumplings. May gets a fresh haircut. And I put on my new keep-out dress for the New Year feast. Now will the New Year come? Pop, pop, pop! Do you hear the firecrackers? Are they bringing in the New Year? No, but they brought in the lions. They are here to scare away last year's bad luck. They scare May too. Don't cry, May. Where is the New Year? We carry the lanterns to light its way. I hope the New Year follows us soon. Look, that's the dragon. Auntie is waking him up by opening his eyes. The New Year must be coming. The dragon's awake. Is it the New Year at last? Yes! Hooray! The New Year is here. Happy New Year, everyone. The end. Thank you for reading with me. Please subscribe and like.